Static electricity is detrimental to many processes. It can attract contamination, cause shocks to operators, and create sparks that could start fires or damage sensitive electronic components. It can be created when insulative materials come into contact with each other, when they're cut, or when plastics are moulded. Electric fields and radiation such as UV light can also cause static electricity. Where pinpoint accuracy is needed, for example with sensitive electronic assemblies, the 8001 Precision Point Ioniser is the ideal way to remove static electricity and contamination. It is compliant to ANSI ESD STM 3.1 standards. The ioniser suits a wide range of industrial ESD neutralisation and cleaning applications, including compact medical and pharmaceutical products, and is Cleanroom certified to ISO Class 4. The 8001's design incorporates a lightweight PVC body with a stainless steel base and replaceable tungsten emitter. An integrated LED shows the operational status and indicates when the ioniser needs cleaning. Installation is simple, needing only a 24-volt DC input and a compressed air supply. The body has two 4.2mm mounting holes to attach the 8001 to your process or machinery. A range of accessories makes the 8001 highly flexible in use. Options include showers, shape-preserving flexible nozzles, extensions and special pipe work. The unit can be powered by a Fraser Mains PSU or 24-volt cable connected to the machine's 24-volt circuits. To find the ideal product for your needs, simply contact the sales team.